What's up everybody, this is Travis with Inked ATTY. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ADV Kit onto the Serpent SMM by Wotofo. This is the version of the Serpent that was designed by Matt from Suck My Mod. To install the kit, what you want to do is rotate the ends counterclockwise away from each other and you'll pull off your glass piece. You'll see that our kit has two stainless steel rings that have O-ring gaskets pre-installed on them. The gaskets that are pre-installed will hold the glass that is 33 millimeters. The other side of the stainless steel ring has an indentation, and that's where each end of the Serpent Mini will fit. Both of these stainless steel rings are the same, so you'll just slide each one onto each end, put your glass in the middle, and then turn clockwise to screw the two ends together. Be sure to leave us a comment down in the comments section about which tanks you would like to see the ADV kit for. We'll try our best to get the most popular ones out there. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a like. We will keep you up to date with all the new products that come out from Inked ATTY. And if you have a chance, stop by the Suck My Mod YouTube channel and check out the reviews on products that Matt does daily. Really great guy, down to earth, awesome reviewer. Have a great day.